Hello, Africa, and tell me how you're doing today. My name is BK, the president, Emma 2K. It feels good to be here. We are back again. Welcome to the sports edition under the NAFL podcast. This is the only sport podcast in the Eastern Cape province, still undefeated, still undisputed. Please make this channel bigger. Follow us on Facebook and follow our page as well on YouTube. Please like and subscribe on YouTube as well so that you can get all the content that we're bringing here in South Africa and all the content that we're bringing here in the Eastern Cape province. Shout out to the whole crew, Mr. Nate Kamakukosani, our main man behind the scene, and shout out to Abo Tastipo, Abo Stipa, Abo Simjo, now Bonga Jamachit, Abo Hood, Songi Schema behind the scene. We salute you for the beautiful work that you are doing. Today, I'm not alone. I have the special guest. Let me introduce him, guys. This one is iconic. This one is the legend. He represented South Africa in 1994 Commonwealth Game in Victoria. He also a gold medalist in 1995 All-Africa Games in Harare, Zimbabwe. He represented South Africa in 1996 Olympics in Atlanta. He's the first and the last boxer to carry the flag of South Africa in the Olympics. Today we have a professor, a pastor, with 33 fights, 28 victories, 18 wins by KO, and only 5 losses. Former WBO world champion of the world, former IBO. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce the legend himself, Pastor Hawk Masibulele Makhepula. Dada Masibule singale mina namhlanje njani?
I greet you, Msasaz PK.
Yes, sir.
Listeners, wherever you are, in the name of my Savior, Yahuwah Mashiach, Yahushua HaMashiach. It's an honor to be one of the guests of ECTV, the podcast, one of the first podcast in Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
That's great.
Thank you so much. Ndilibele ukuthi ebantwini that he is also famous about his signature ethi many. It feels good to be here with you. Ungumntu that have been there representing this country from the youth days up until you turn to professional. You've been carrying a South African flag, and today ungomnye wabantu abarecognized as a legend as a boxing eMzantsi Afrika, particularly kweli lizwe lakho nakule ndawo uzalwa kuyo, East London. Abantu, they respect you. I know nabantu eMzantsi Afrika wonke, they know you. But how is you unjani Bra Hawk ngoku after retirement? Are you enjoying retirement? Okanye ucinga inqondo yabawela kanjani ke nibuye?
I firstly manqala lapha kula point of correction ye record. Ayingwewedwa that is got this I've got 35 fights.
35 fights. Okay.
22 knockouts.
Jeez. Why basically 18?
Yeah, all my losses, it was world titles.
Yeah. Jeez.
So it was just a point of correction. No, to be honest, I'm always mentioning this. I never quit boxing. I have retired.
Okay.
But it was just a challenge of my body.
Oh.
I picked up what there are pains that are as continue shy. So, and another thing that made me to put a pause is because of I wanted my television, Mbuyekezo Boxing Channel.
I know.
To televise my fight.
Okay.
My fights, in fact, from 2010. I remember that we have planned with Uplanga, that is Ujola.
Yes.
Bramzi. Return match yam no Zolile Mbiki. I host Sobabin.
Okay.
Yeah. As a broadcaster and him as a promoter, and then we're going to share the revenue. Yeah.
Sure.
But things never went.
Okay.
But all things work together for good. to those who love him according to his own purpose.
So ukuyeka kwakho ukudlala boxing, it was not something that ubusafuna but
No.
We didn't know that.
No. I never retired.
Ngoku ndiyaxhoma.
Yeah.
Jeez. So
lento umsekelo ndiza kwenza ngoNomeva. Yenziwa na kuBaby Jake.
Yeah.
Athi this is my
last match.
It's my, it's a great thing kwabanye abantu ke, but uNkulunkulu you'll never cross question him kuphele. You must know ukuthi whatever that is happening in your life, it is well planned by him.
Wow.
Noba uNonsendana ke will intervene, the devil will try to distract or to disrupt that. But there will be a good out of it for you.
So that was 2008, your last professional match.
Yes.
Oh, okay. But growing up eMdantsane, kwindawo yeboxing, ukhula kwikhaya elinjani? I know abanye abazali sometimes they didn't want this abantwana bangene kwiboxing. Udibana phi neboxing and you fall in love neboxing from the early days of your life?
1979, on the 5th of November, I remember kwakho into okuthiwa ngoNohepeni, nina nizazi ezo zinto.
Ayayazi.
Into enzeka nge-5th kaNovember.
Okay.
Lana ufaka amabele, ufaka impungu.
Oh.
And you go and nihambe nibethi itoti apha endleleni. You understand? Nicela imali.
Oh.
So I'm not sure xa ibizwa ke nge-English
but na.
Thina sasithi ngoNohepeni.
Okay.
On that day, that was 1979 November. Ndathi xa ndizawuphuma phandle kwabe sekungena my brother in sihlala nomakhulu wethu.
Okay.
uMamdolo.
Because
Wangena wathi mama cela ujonge lo mfana. Ehamba ke with a young light like same age as me. Yabo. Hey. Lo mfana wabetha umoya ke ebonise wathi uppercut, hook and polo punch, jab, uppercut, hook and polo. Hey mama wami waphambana. Wakhupha lo mabele, wakhupha lezo mpundu, wathatha ushoti phane vest. Ejimini. That was my first day yo ngena eclubini yamanqindi.
So ngumamdolo wonke lo.
Yabona, so abe umalume beboxa ngela xesha.
Sure.
Yeah, nomnye utata kwakuthiwa nguSotyali ohlala opposite. Nosizwe Sonyashe next door. So boxing ayinkulu kakhulu eMdantsane. Na especially kwa9 ngelo xesha. Yabo kwiclub ekuthiwa iAnybody ekhokelwa nguBrambo umbulelo kanti libele nje isename kaBrambo.
Okay.
Kancinci nje. They grew up under utata wami. Enkosi Siphunzana. That's how I got in boxing. Wow. Lo mfana ke yayinguzithulele enqatheleni.
Okay. Kwa9. Okay, the months.
He passed away.
Yes.
Yeah, so yayinguye ke lo. And then isparring partner sami yayingulunga uBoqo Mdingi. You understand? So benibalisela ke umtshana wakhe namhlanje ulunga, same thing. She was so shocked.
Jeez.
Yeah. That was 1979. How old you were then?
I was not even planting in a pleasure. So that's how you got to in boxing. Ngolo hlobo.
Yes. Then 1981 yaphela iclub ebhola.
Okay. Boxing.
Yeah, ndaqala ibhola ke. In 82. Kwiclub ekuthiwa yiBhongweni United.
Okay.
Through njoba iboxing ke ndandi ncanca kuSizwe Sonyashe. 1981 abangunyaka oqala ukwazi kwami utata wami live.
Oh.
Andisamkhumbuli.
Jeez.
Senda eSiphunzana. So ngosenemdala ke yabo ndambona 1981 ngoko. Discovered ukuthi hayi ibox alejapa.
Jeez.
In a club yeboxing.
No.
Ekuthiwa iwavutha umlilo kwa12.
Hayibo.
Kwa11 and 12
Sure.
trainisa pha efikile Bhengu. But mina ngelo xesha sendibanjwe ibhola. Through uZola Sonyashi.
Sure.
Njoba isoccer boxing ibingu through Sizwe Sonyashi.
Yes.
And then that train okay le Chepo Zola. I was a captain ka under 12. eBhongweni yaphela eBhongweni saqala uMdantsane Celtics. Ndaba captain uMdantsane Celtics. Ndaba captain ka B division ka under 14. It was under 12, under 14, B division, lo namhlanje ubizwa ngo under 17.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay.
Uthi ke ngela xesha u B division, it was not under 17. Because kwakho abantu neBras
babedlala babe kuphi. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it was grades than age.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So bawo
ngathi ayibona.
No bumdala. At least ngathi nakuqholela nyana.
Okay.
Udlala nathi phaya izidwana zincane phaya. So we had such people like
sure.
Now ndabe ke ndiquqisa uSadukash watching boxing.
Okay.
I-boxing wayiva nje ba it is in my vein. Now utata wami ke waye angry kakhulu ilento yami because wathanda undifaka isparring phaya eCimbanza ndiye ku boxing.
Okay.
Akayazi bani bandandijima boxing for that matter.
Oh.
Ndisivuthulule ndwana zakhe. Ngoku ndingatrainiyo.
Sure.
Dlala ibhola.
Yeah.
Yeah. It happened that ekuthandeni kwami umvelele no welcome.
Okay.
And welcome ebedlala ibhola.
Yeah. You told us.
Dlala Real Stars.
Sure.
Yeah. So ndanento ethi hayi man. My hero welcome. He's a boxer, he's playing soccer.
Sure.
Why not mna ndingazidlala ezo yi-2? You understand? And I've started to play both.
Okay.
Nase boarding school. Ngazidlala zo yi-2.
Sure.
Yabo. Kodwa ke yoyiswa iboxing ukubuya kwami boarding school.
Okay.
Ndathi xa ndifika eDangen Village eSiphunzana. Ndafika andayifumana iclub yebhola tu. Yabo. Ndimane ndiyaleza ke kwentwana sekhaya ziyabhoxa.
Yeah.
Sihlala netimer yami ke.
Sure.
Ndibona ba ayonwabanga. Now that oyena umuntu emzeleyo akade box. Shabatshana.
Yeah.
Engusabulela ke no Luphumezo.
Sure.
Cousin bam. Monakali. It happened ukuthi ngolwesine ndisive nobana kuthiwa bazayodlala eMdantsane. Elukhanyo.
Sure.
Club. Ne triple tournament ba. Hey. Hayi, ndathi ndiyes.
Sure.
Ndayijimini. Ndafika ejimini ndathi ngicela isparring. Kodwa hayi kaloku umuntu apha anze asparishe uthi ndithi andifuna isparring. Caba bane program yabo ke yeyibhekelo yi-East London Youth Boxing Club.
Okay.
Nompumelelo.
Okay.
So ke le East London Youth Boxing Club today. Youth itrainwa nguta small ngoku.
Okay, sure.
So othoni ke babelapho obhatala Kid No More Bobo Mthimkhulu Joe Menziwa yabo. That's where my father was training.
Jeez.
Ukhule phane boxing from upper kwa1 United because waqala United Boxing Club not Ali.
Okay, sure.
Dali ke babezi light zabo. It happened ndobana ugqibo kwaMsparisa kodwa okay mamela ke apha ke uthi xa ulandukile utraina i2 weeks then uyilolwa after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Ndifuna
ukulwa ngoku.
Ndiyalwa ngomsomnye. Kodwa hayi ndithi ndiyalwa ngomsomnye.
Sure.
Nawina kulo fight elukhanyo. Yabe i-comeback yami kwi-boxing from a boarding school na from 1979.
Wabe ubuyile kwi-boxing.
Yabe ubuyile like nobody's business. Fight yami yesithathu ndandisilwa ne-Star.
Okay.
Esivela kwi-South African Championships. In fact ndandibekelwe abantu ababini.
Okay.
Ndathi phofu xa ndigqibulwa nesi-Star kodwa ukhona ulanduka wayibizwa bani ke nohlwathika ngela xesha holiday.
Okay. Kodwa holiday.
Yeah. Ngela xesha i-former South African champion ngoku.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah. So ndandibawelelwa yona ke pha eziphunzane la xesha trainer David Kotile ngoku. Pha phansi ko Dr. David Mbeki.
Okay.
Ndalwa ne-superstar apho i-third fight yami. Kwathiwa uyabona kule fight sizawuprova into yobana yeyiphi ring name ozawuhamba nayo between uHawk no Son of the Dragon.
Wow.
So the Dragon was my father.
Okay.
So uHawk, welcome.
Welcome.
So ndenza i-draw apho ne-Star. Eso Star eso nguHappy Mnqabisa.
Oh, okay. Bona
Yes.
coach.
Coach.
Yes.
Yeah. So ke abe light kodwa ke kum.
Yeah.
Age. Kuba ndandithin ntondoni
Sure.
delekile nami, yabo. Kodwa ke bese stars, yabo. So ke that's how i-ring name kaHawk yahlala khona
Till today.
up to date. Njoba ndithetha njengoku igama lami kuthiwa Professor Masibulele Hawk Makhephula.
Nakwi-ID.
Nakwi-ID.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Then your amateur boxing career, it seems like it was more of a revelation. You've done a lot of things, go amateur to Africa Games, Commonwealth Games, and you went to the Olympics. If my mind serves me well, I think you are the first one ukuba uye kwi-Olympics kwi-boxer. And I don't know about omnye emveni kwakho after uyile. And also you were the one that was chosen with Team South Africa to carry the flag as a South Africa kula opening ceremony. Tell us about your amateur now that you've been recognized eMzantsi Afrika, uyakhula, and kubani that is involved kuyo yonke le success.
After I left East London Youth Boxing Club,
Sure.
ngenxa yemeko ke ezazibhlungu endandikuzo eziphunzana
Etangen Village.
in the
Sure.
family, in fact,
Okay.
within the family.
Okay.
So I had to move and go back in Tanzania.
Okay.
Fortunate ke, and already I was a star by then. Yabo, so ndibuyele back mos ngo-88 full time ku-boxing.
Okay.
Bandithi ndibuyela full time. So ndabe ke sendiba se-star. Before kwi-World Championships ndaluza kwi-border kwi-border championships.
Sure.
Semi-final against uMadose Ngozi. So ndiluze semi. So abantu abahambayo ke ngoku abantu abaluze final.
Okay.
Abayaphikwa SA Championships.
SA Championships.
So
Okay. Sure.
andiyimi.
Awuzohamba ke ngoku.
Yeah. But ndabe ke sendise eyethu boxing club.
Okay.
Into emandi into yobana ngoku my role model ndiphansi kwe-role model yam
So nibonana like, yeah,
every day. He was an international boxer by then.
Jeez. A well-known.
Yeah. So kwenzeka ngenye imini Yethu ke yayine boxer ezi 8 to South African Championships.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Produce straight.
I'm telling you. If I remember vividly, I will count those names. Ndisesikolweni ndifunde eBenin.
Oh, okay. Machombos.
Yeah. I remember I was doing standard 7 by then. Standard 7 ke grade 9. Grade 9, yeah. So kwenzeke ke into bana kufika icall esikolweni ndiyabizwa eofficeini ndiyosabela yabo kanti kuthiwa ndiyahamba
wow
ndiya eGauteng
okay
ndithentweni kuhamba wena uya ku-SA Championships how
njani
because kaloku umuntu ohambayo nguMadose noMalawutye no Umalawu
okay
Umalawu ke was my sparring partner so he fought uMadose
ku-final so kuhamba bona boyi-2 okay
ngokuthiwa mna ndihamba endaweni kaMalawu yabo cha andabe sayo kube ndingena ndithi and excited le nto mandifumana kwathiwa so
yeah.
and prepare uhamba today
yabo
so ndabuya ngespeed jeez qoqeliswa impahla yami ndathi dudu ndakhangela ududu ubhongo
udur sure
uyahamba naye usesikwatini
okay
so eklabhini we had ududu unqi uVuyisile Gray uLuvuyo Mngambi uSanchez Dabi
sure
uMlamle Changa uJas ibrother kaVuyani Bhungu
okay sure
kubane umuntu endimlibalayo ngosem kule trip uMzamo Face I believe sasibayi 10
jeez
sasibayi 10 xa sidibanisa nomzamo because iGG neAyethu yayinto yayi1
okay
kwakutrainisa ke uBrabika tata wami ke nguBoyboy Mbulampula
sure
that man became my father yeah I believe that I still owe him
okay
and his sister passed away just 3 days ago
jeez
family kwaMbulampula and one of bomama bebesupport amanqindi ku boxing
okay
la family kwaMbulampula I made boxing up eMonti yeah so akuhlanga lungehliyo family kwaMbulampula sisonke yeah
wow then
ndabeke ndiyaya ku-SA Championships
ngolohlobo
Madose waluza
jeez
ku quarter final ndawina quarter final ndawina semi final ndawina final ndaba yi-champion
okay
1988 yabe kuqala kwami ucrownwa South African champion
jeez
ngela xesha ndisando bendingazuhamba nohamba
ubungazuhamba that was magical
That's a wonder it's a miracle from our heavenly up I'm telling you
now All Africa Games yafika the opportunity as well naphayana or ifika njani the opportunity
remember that I've started representing South Africa in 1992 see underground
okay
uniting the sport of boxing in the world sihlala kwezi country with the exiles zase South Africa nezalamazwe so kuma Mozambique representing ke the tool you understand bananga umzekelo sinawo so we want this sport to be free in the sport ngohlobo nohlobo
okay
understand so I was that tool
serious
so sawaqoqa wonke lamazwe oNigeria Ntoni I remember in Nigeria a comrade exiles pass shayitoyitoy the loser in a very bad way in Nigeria hayi lamadoda shayitoyitoy South Africa's vez ubuazania.
Yeah.
So then I went to Paris, I went to Canada for Commonwealth
Game Victoria.
Yeah. And then I was taken and asked by the continent and the country that I must not turn professional.
Wow.
I had to get paid as an amateur.
Wow.
So I'm one of the first boxers. Ivan Buhlalo, Silence Mabuza, Philip Do, Ubadalwa. Like I'm the first one because
sure.
They became senior, I think, 93.
Okay.
I was already there. So I think 94, 94. I answer kumbulu ngathi 93. Kodwa ke ndabe ndiphansi kwe National Sport Council and NOCSA, National Olympic Council of South Africa. Yeah. So I represented South Africa Africa Games, World Championships in Germany. Germany ngenhleli kakhulu. Siquqe kakhulu eGermany. Ndaba Africa champion, ndaba best boxer of the best sportsman of the tournament. Because Paya sasiba 2, a guy from Kenya, I think he was a heavyweight. Yayinwina ngohlobo lwami. Ndawina nge-knockout first round. Ndawina i-knockout first round, ndawina i-knockout first round. Ndawina i-final nge-second round. Nayo yawina ngohlobo ndwine ngalo. So babini ke sabamba eza titles sports. Main became the sports best sports person of the tournament.
Of the tournament, sure.
Yeah. Then ke sapina sabuyela ke ndawina. I became the first man to beat a Cuban boxer in Africa. Yeah.
Jeez.
At Germany.
Yeah.
So
amateur wonke lo.
Amateur lo.
Kuthiwa hlala kwa amateur. Do you have that thing that you want to turn pro?
Ndandinayo.
Sure.
Ngokuya kokuthenishwa sitshomi zami.
Yeah.
Bathenisa bonke abantu benihamba nabo. Yandimndodwa. Ndacengwa mina kodwa sifuna imedal lapha.
Shiyeka.
So I was supported.
Wow.
Ndibathanda ubalisa endlini xelela abantu basendlini mnina wami ndamolusa ndiyi-amateur. 1994 ndiyi-amateur ndamolusa ngemali yakwa-amateur.
Jeez.
So yeah.
So you were making money.
Yeah.
Kwa-amateur.
Yeah.
Jeez. And now
ndike ndathathwa ke ndayoba yi-ambassador ka-Transnet.
Wow.
Yeah. So bendi-sport admin kwa-Transnet. I worked as a sport admin.
Are you still under AA2 lonke la xesha Eliana?
Yes.
Uplanga nguye that is next to you.
Yes.
Wow.
But ke ndihamba no Boy Mpula.
Oh, Brambula. Brabika. Wow. And then it happens ukuba ke ube ukwazi ukuba uyongena kwi-Olympics eMzantsi Africa carrying the flag yase South Africa. Take us through being selected. Kuthiwa uyahamba 1996.
Into yokuqala eyenzekayo phaya engafani ithethwe is that I was a choir master.
Pingo.
Atlanta.
Serious?
Yeah. I was leading the country ngengoma ethi Shosholoza.
Sure.
Khona ke ingoma ethi Shosholoza. Yeah. So kulezo ndawo stimela. Yabona? Wenu yabaleka kulezo ndawo stimela sphume South Africa. Kanti ifamba sithi stimela sphume Azania.
Jeez.
Ayo South Africa le Azania. Yes up.
Now, tell us about the feeling ukuba ungomnye wabantu that is going to represent South Africa 1996 Olympics Atlanta.
You know, I was numb.
Mm.
You know, after announced as the leader of sa-honorishwa ke phanono Ivan Uzanele Buhlalo. Yena, he was reading the statement ska Mandela.
Okay.
Ska president. No, I think it's President Thabo Mbeki again, one of the two. I think yes.
1996, I think. Mandela, ne? Yeah, Mandela.
Yeah. So mna ke ndabizwa kodwa you are going to be the first man to carry the flag of New South Africa in the Olympic Games.
Jeez.
Not just the boxer, no. The first man to carry the flag of New South Africa. That's one of the biggest honors ever.
Still.
Still. By then, ndabe ndi-achieve ezo zinto zimbini ke. Amateur na-achieve loo lebana to get paid as an amateur, number one, you know, number two, ndibe yi-choir master, leading the country emculweni, and ndiphinde futhi ndiyophathiswa i-flag. That was, yabona ke le uphatha i-flag, I was very under pressure.
Jeez.
Because what happened, i-pressure ize ngenxa kaPenny Haynes. uPenny Haynes achieved a gold medal before siyolwa thina sikalwe nokulwa.
Yeah.
La mntana wabe senxibe imedal ezimbili. So I was under pressure.
Yeah.
Yabo, because the whole continent looked at me. I mean, to bring a medal.
And this New South Africa as well.
Yabon. So it happened that I won my first fight in knockout first round in the Olympics.
Yeah.
I became the first man again to win a knockout in those Olympics. And especially first round. Yabon. Then that jump second round, ndayodlala third round. Xa ndisiya ku quarter finals, I fought against number 2 in the world by then. No, number 1 in the world by then, because number 2, number 1 for 10th professional, and then ndalwa ne-silver medalist. I believe that I was cheated.
Okay.
Yeah, it was controversial. But sabasathini.
Yeah.
You know, one thing that I have done, I came back, ndafika ndabeka iibhegi zam endlini, ndahamba ngenyawo ujuka 10 kuBramsey. Afika ndathi Plang, listen to me now. Within the next 24 months from now,
after 1996 Olympics.
Yeah. Within the next 24 months, I will be a world champion.
Jeez.
It happened. I became a world champion exactly on that time. And I became the first man to win the world title or to fight for the world title and win the world title in New York Madison Square Garden.
WBO.
WBU.
Yeah, okay.
WBU.
Jeez.
Yeah. When I get stoppage now.
Ifika njani le fight?
Ifika ke already because I became again the first man. I'm laughing when I'm talking about this first. Dr. Loiso Mchano, Andile, Stinile, when they calling me, but the first.
Yeah.
Because a lot of things I became the first.
The first.
Yeah. First Eastern Cape, first what. Kule part ndithi kuyo, I became the first man and the only man who signed with SABC. Who signed under SABC.
Okay.
Under the program called Mabaleng. Sport program called Mabaleng.
Sure.
Then for fights and Zayilwa under SABC.
Oh.
You understand? Those fights were televised live for me. It was made special for me.
Yeah.
So, but something that is painful. Zandi signing a contract.
I was about to ask that. Incentives as Koyo, because that's a big deal.
Yo.
Xa kuthiwa uzosayina ne TV to broadcast fights zakho,
I'm telling you.
it's not something encinci that you can just say no, it's fine. But did you get anything to that? How did it happen?
I'll be honest to you. I remember Hleli Tawel, welcome. Did Tawel? Oh, Tawel. Uyazi bana idili yakhe ihamba njani yaselandukeni. The money involved kule fight le lanto.
Jeez. In those 4 fights.
4 fights.
Jeez.
Tawel jonga. Andifuni uyiphazamisa le nto ndenzayo. I don't want to fall short.
Jeez.
Yeah, let us leave it.
But how?
At that time, I was still a clean light. Ndibambe le nto bana ndizaba world champion. Then you will see. I remember I was doing my 5th fight in Mexico.
Yeah.
And Judge Sibali was fighting Banganen. The world champion, the champion. Mayweather was fighting in that tournament.
Wow.
Mayweather had 4 fights, 4 knockouts. I had 4 fights, 4 knockouts. We were fighting our 5th fights on that.
Okay, Gulabil, yeah.
And I remember I saw imali ayemkelayo. It was more than hundreds, thousands. Then.
Yeah. Dollars.
Guess what? Mna ndiyolopa andinoma ndilwela malini na.
Who is involved kuyo yonke lento?
Kaloku ne-manager, you've got a manager. You've got a manager and the promoter. Rodney Berman.
Rodney.
So, but I told myself, no, it's fine. Then, when I became a world champion,
yeah,
because I was already in demand as an amateur, now I'm a world champion.
Yeah, you were already in demand.
So, I'll be honest that the truth came out. I remember that Pramsi said, no, Pramsi, I cannot fight for this money. Pramsi was begging me that day, do you know, these world champions there, Ska Rodney, it's only you that is fighting for such amounts.
The world champions.
The world champions, but
the amount that they are getting.
As fike kule mali ndilwelayo. But I remember one other day, the defender, a title, and that was my 3rd world title. Remember that I fought, I defended my WBU and all that stuff. Then fight year 16, then the unification. I became the first man to unify in Africa. It was against Pepe Check Matlala. We were fighting for WBU and WBO.
WBO, okay, 2000.
Yeah, 19th of February.
26 years ago.
Yeah. I remember that 3 weeks ago, there was a Landuga app interview from Ubongani Magasela.
Yeah.
Ebuzibana ndisatsho kuna namhlanje nabana ndambethu Pepe Check Matlala.
Sure.
Ngokuxa ndibona ku newspaper lento ndithi ndabuyela unanimous pa.
Yeah.
And that was one of my easiest fights.
Against Pepe Check?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah. Upramzi. It was a big fight.
It is because it was a big fight. It was a big fight,
but
sure.
It was not a difficult fight
for you.
For me. Upramzi phela ko fight owaye relax kuyo leya. Uyathetha mosithi urelaxile kakade but kule fight it was like
sure
because uBrajake sasiyazi ubana he will be just here.
Right on your pocket.
Yeah, you understand. So akho nditheni uzabe lapha. So our plan went exactly ngohlobo sasiplanning ngalo ukuthi first 3 rounds sabe simfutha apha.
Okay.
7 board. Then after 4th round angles.
Yeah.
And it went exactly the way we have planned. So I don't want to lie that when I saw it a day after, that was 2 weeks ago. Hey, nobody thought that I'll lose against to discover Isaac Hlatshwayo, he said, no, you have lost the fight.
Sure.
PM PM manager where say KZN said same thing.
So they were predicting
no
going to lose.
No.
Uh-huh.
They believe that Bebicek
won the fight. I saw that, but this fight was controversial.
So ndike ndathi ke kuba ndikwi broadcast nathi I have to find this fight because I cannot find this fight. I don't know how to get hold of a fight ka Bebicek Batlala versus Hogma. You understand Hogma Kepola ayikho, it is not there.
Sure.
Now ndiyafuna la fight siyenze.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And make it live. You understand? Kubhejwe ngongo ayikabeona babheja abantu benze lonto bayenza yabantu. You understand? And then the fight idlalwe kujajwe okukutsha.
Ayikho ku records.
Ayikho. I don't know why.
That time was
one of the biggest fights ever of the continent.
Biggest.
But ayikho. You cannot find it even to cover YouTube.
Yeah. That time ideal yakho no SABC isekhona
okanye sayiphelile. No, send ku multi-choice ngoku.
Oh.
Yeah, send ku multi-choice isayiphelile because it was 4 fights ndazigqiba.
Azigqiba.
And send 10 siya ku world title ndabe sendi back to multi-choice.
So multi-choice ke nguBramzi ke ngoku.
Yes.
Okay.
Ndanga promote uBramzi and promote nguRodney.
Oh, nguBeman. Okay. That night 2000 26 years ago, it was a big night.
I know it was, you know, to fight your legend because Brajake was a legend.
Yeah.
So, but I knew that I Brajake better was better. You know, Muno still a fight.
A carnival seat.
We could fight up. So we were opening carnival seat. The carnival seat was never used by not a single person, not for boxing, for anything. Yeah, yavulwa ndim no Brajake.
Then your life after that night, how did it change?
My life changed completely. You know, to beat someone that is coming from beating number 1 pound for pound, that is Mikhail Kabayel. Because Brajake knocked to Mikhail Kabayel.
Yeah.
Before you
he was a big dog now, Bebicek in that place.
Cool. Because after my fight, he fought again and lost. He challenged the title and lost, and then he went and challenged again and then won, and then and retired.
From amateur days, I believe you were famous, not because Ubuz Ketele, but because of your work, your amateur success. But now, professional, a world title, or you win up a Mzansi Africa, with unification fight, as you're saying. After that, people that are involved in your life, how you live, how you conduct yourself, some they want you to motivate them, some they want you with events to come, but in life and the pressure after that, how did you deal with it?
You know, I I cannot say about that time I started to change my life, the time of Project, no. Because I became well-known as an amateur.
Exactly, yeah, yeah.
Even far before reaching 20 years, I was already a star.
Yeah, yeah.
So it was not a shock when I became a dual world champion, but it was a very big thing because I became the first man to fight for unification and then won.
Yeah.
So I was a dual world champion.
Yeah.
And though I had to vacate my WBO.
Yes.
But I didn't know why I vacated it. I didn't know.
No.
I'm telling you.
I saw the stint that you have le world title.
No, I didn't even defend it.
What happened?
I don't know.
I
heard that could Hawk vacate the belt.
Yeah, and even the record says that you won it and then you vacated. Yes.
I didn't know that, but you know, I was still a clean lighty. I was 23 then.
No.
You know, so I think 23, 24. Yeah. So now when the days were moving, I defended now my WBU.
Yeah.
May. And then I went straight to flyweight to fight number 1 pound for pound. That one again became a very big thing to me. So I didn't mind of losing, of leaving, of vacating the WBO. Now I went to IBF and fight Irene Pacheco.
No, different WBO.
Okay.
This is the big belt, a well-known belt, big bodies with boxing, and to uba iambe just like that. And that time you were in your prime time. It's not like ubugui last days career. You were at your prime at that time. The manager and the team ifikithini kuwe and ithi kuwe iWBO uyayivacator. What's going on? Kufika incwadi esuka kwa WBO kwenzeka ntoni ngu-BSA that is coming to you. What's going on?
Ndiva mna xa ndikuthiwa I'm defending
WBO.
And then what about this? To go to Caba Rodney had a squabble with WBO.
Oh.
You understand? Somehow they couldn't reach the.
Jeez.
So he decided to go to let me relinquish it. So I had to relinquish the title. Then defended my WBU. Then immediately after, I went straight to IBF.
Yeah.
No, I think I defended again. Then I went to IBF, and that fight of IBF was the biggest fight ever. To fight against Irene Pacheco, and Pacheco was number 1 pound for pound by then.
Yeah.
You understand? And I remember someone was watching this fight up in the building. Elukhanyisweni.
Okay, sure.
Okuselukhanyisweni. So they were watching this fight there, Pacheco. After last round, last round, they went out celebrating.
Yeah.
And went out, and then when they came back, Bafika one Belili Nyembes. That Hawk Makapula has lost. Jeez.
Yeah.
So I unfunge uthetha kakhulu ngento you can go and watch by yourself. Fight ka Irene Pacheco.
Usahleli no Berman.
Yeah.
Kuzo zonke izinto. We starting from TV. You still uhleli naye. WBO, you vacate the title without your consent. I was bakwenzeka ntoni. SAPC deal as well.
I knew nothing about it in terms of signing
Yeah.
I remember Joe Fisage. Joe Fisage was a producer, I think head of, I think he was an HOD of sport by then. He was driving me. The time kuchazwa le deal, and then he asked me, how much are you fighting for? Damxelela ish waphansi ukuyisimi imoto shock ndabe senzithi kwenzeka ntoni ucinga uba befamba ndibilela malini. How much you think I was supposed to fight for? But no, hey, at least what, at least then 30,000 ayimali enkulu ke ngoku normal
for your world title.
No.
Oh, just okay, yeah,
SABC ngoko ke ayimali enkulu.
Yeah.
Go 97. So ish imbuzi singayilungisa njani ke lento. I think that number 9 no Robert Morawa. Sasama it was 3 of us. And then ingalungiswa njani lento. Ish qala nqono okay nabe nqono ba akayazi because naye seemingly yamo.
Yeah. But you stayed with Upeman out of all those things.
Yeah. I stayed with the
was it because he was giving you opportunities to fight for the world titles, or you were not as in ubuzibona senzeka but bingekho into ethi mshiye?
No. I never reached such a Landuka because at the end I ended up becoming the biggest earner.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I stood by myself. I remember one other day, I'm coming from Britain, and then could discuss on a fight as I on May. You've got 2 fights.
Okay.
May and September. And figure Gospa Kuplanga. Plan ngixelela uPlanga ba ulwela 300,000. Ntoni? Mali kuthiwa ulwela 300,000 ukuthi hayi asudlala promise. Ndaphuma ndahamba. Jeez, afika emotweni nami na phone. Phone lo Rodney.
Okay.
My son, no, and my son,
Sure.
My son, you are fighting for how much, Rodney? For 300,000. No. That's a joke. Remember that we as black people, we've got extended families. So everyone is looking
to me.
So I can't take this. That I need 500,000. Okay. No, I cannot. I need 500,000. What? 450. Did 450 Rodney? Yo, take 150,000. No one can negotiate. 450. And yes, did okay, it's fine. But hey. Yeah. That 200 uplanga ndamxelela.
Sure.
Planga uthiwa xa kufika contract.
Ayibona bana.
Uplanga besothuka ikit yam bantu besothuka uplanga mina xa ndingena eringini xa ndikhuphi kuthiwa kit yam pa. Hey. Sandilo ngena sponsor mina ko fighting azandilo ngena sponsor. As a sponsor disifunela ngokwami.
Jeez.
Yeah. I remember sesiphenene I think it's called sponsor man uPatco was anaso kum. I think siska unashuwa.
Sure.
Ndandi laluka noPatco lento kanashuwa. Bandikhumbula kuhle sakhumbula kahle. Planga besothuka ke xa nisithi gqi.
So yeah.
Mna ke bendi uBramzi bemna kuMonqeni Rodney.
Okay, sure.
Bethuma mina ba ndofunela iboxers fights. Understand? Ndihambe nofunela iboxers aseclubini
fights. Sure.
Mhlamba balwa 6 rounds, 8 rounds, 10 rounds. Bafunele ku Rodney live.
Sure.
Yabo. So mna ke I was already negotiating deals zami ngokuluku kwami.
Which is what is
I remember one other day uLedwaba.
Yeah, let's have one.
Uhlokes ya cancelisha fight yakhe.
Sure.
Sesegauteng already. Yabo. Kodwa main bout ndim. Wathi gqi uBramzini. Senixele bandwela malini na.
Kula bill yangalamini.
Tata ndiyagoduka. I'm going home.
And ithathe fight.
Ndithathe. Now I remember ndibanisela ngo-L ba yo ayiphambene uBramzini abantu bathi bendimxelela usona soze uhoka ithathe le mali. Yabo ntoni. Kwenye ndaliqinisithi remember lokho ndime main bout ayingolanduka ngakho apho Hawks.
Yeah.
So I cannot fight for this amount. News man.
Which is what is lacking now. You were valuing yourself. Ubuzvaluisha wena. This is what is lacking to boxing ekhoyo ngoku. Kwiboxers zethu. When you check these boys, because ngumuntu osondele kwiboxing nangoku. Balekisha happy.
I'm still serving under Boxing South Africa.
Exactly.
As a sanctioning.
You are still here. But when you check where ilekisha kubo lento for them to call the shots like you did, and it's not a shame, because it's
that's how it's supposed to be.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, because the boss, the boxer. Boxer is a boss.
But ayenzeki ngolo hlobo.
And that time is coming to an end. The boxer is going to be the boss.
How? So fika njani now, because
just bukela wena uzobona izawuyenza. It's going to happen.
Now Brahok, as basi benisicho ukuba you became the famous person and you won these titles, surroundings zakho, the abantu circle yakho xa uyiboxer ukwesa stage when you have accomplished izinto zingaka and wonke umuntu they want to be next to you. How did you deal with that now? The friends, the people that were next to you, the family as well, because wonke umuntu ngokubona as someone that can provide. Udile njani nalonto leyo?
Hayi, it was not a shock kum because ndingumuntu wabantu. That's me.
Okay.
Ndinongwaza but ndingumuntu wabantu. You understand? I love people.
Sure.
So to me, it never affected me negatively.
Okay.
At all. Ifame zange ndizenhloko mina ndihlanyisa. Understand? No. So because of ndabathanda abantu. Up to now.
Exactly.
Sandogezelwa enye ichomi yami izolo egroupini kuhleka enye cousin nami ekuthiwa nguBoyoyo. Ihleka enye ichomi yami ekuthiwa nguSimthembele Ngange. Siyaxoxa ke groupini sizi Flyers 51. Sasi group ke 36 years ago no Dudu Bungu. Uthi asifela ungcwaba kulo hoko. Kaloku umdantsana wonke bazi uhoko abantu basemntanzana abantu bakwabo bonke. Hayi ndiyazithanda izalwane.
Sure.
Bathanda abantu not ndithanda abantu kangaka. How much more ke ngokubantu abazawubizwa ngesiduko zabo. So
didn't can affect lonto in terms of financially friends and abantu that surrounding you?
You know, as ban sithu into bana kudala ndaba support abantu.
Okay.
Kudala ndaba ngumuntu wabantu. Kwange 90s, early 90s ndingekabi world champion.
Sure.
You understand? So I didn't want to see anyone olekayo around me.
Around you.
Sometimes ndiyabalanda abantu, you understand? So I don't want to say it affected me. No,
Okay.
no. You know, andinguyela mntu mnonzathi mhlambe kwaphela imali because yagqitywa sichomi.
Abantu. Sure.
Though I was supporting people. You understand? But I don't want to lie. I invested
Okay.
money in business.
All right. Sure.
Yeah, because I owned a Total Garage. Wow, was 6.
Apa kwa NU6.
Fishering company, security company, bookshop, IT company. You know, so I was trying to invest again. Eyona nto ke ndilimazayo investment yami ndayenzayo phaa kwa Total.
Okay. What happened?
I remember phaa ndajoyina uBrakeke ngokugodla
God. Sure.
ngo-50-50.
Okay.
Ndafaka imanagement yam neyakhe. But hey, kwaba kwi-struggle. Yabo. Decline business. And ubone so ndibhatala amatyala angapheliyo. Then yatshona business. Yabutshona in fact. Ndafika nathi okay. Xa ndisithi ndifaka imali again apho kuzophatha ke ngoku abantu bam.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. Ndathatha u-67 ndampha u-33%. Engenando. Ndampha u-33% because he was supposed us to be out.
Yeah.
Ndampha u-33% because
Still ba makabe ne.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same time that Aman mandimbuy out uBrakeke.
Okay.
I bought him out.
100%.
Ndathatha 100%. That was on a Friday.
Okay.
Ndafaka yonke imali yam phaa. Kuba ndisithi investment yam at least noba yenzeke 5 years to come. Yes.
But izokwenzeka.
Yeah.
Unalando.
So ndafaka yonke imali yam phaya. That was Friday. Gcwalisa amatenki yonke into. You understand? Ndingu-100% ke ngoku.
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday. Monday morning ngene call around 1 o'clock. But hey, siphaka inkonzo apho.
Yeah.
Usuke down anhlale West Bank. Xa ndifika egarage. Khonjiwa apha. Ungenwe apha erofini. Ne? Isafe igrindiwe.
Yeah.
Athathwa yonke imali ye-weekend. Remember thina sasingayenzi laa nto imali ihambe every day.
Lando yeah.
Yabo? Yonke laa mali yangoLwesihlanu Gqibelo
Sunday.
and ke abantu ke babesiya in numbers in my garage
Yeah.
because igarage kaHawk Makebula.
That was a blow.
That was a blow and better ndahamba ze. You understand? So I was still a world champion. Then unfortunately emva koko ndaluza kuSkali.
Sure.
Yabo? So things went bad.
Do you think it was a setup or something? People that they know you?
Uyazi into yobana and that time ndandiqala uba born again. Kwenzeka kwalaa nto.
Okay.
Now, do you know uba laa nto yenzeke ngalaa nyaka, that was 2002 or 1, andisakhumbula 2002 na andisakhumbula. SABC was celebrating, umhlobo wenene was celebrating my achievements. That was, I think, 5 years ago.
Sure.
Benza kula program yasebusuku. The first call apha wathi xa ethetha kudala ndahamba emhlabeni andimbona umuntu olunge ngohlobo abantu abancedileyo warawara wabalisa ke
Sure.
wagqiba wathi do you know into yobana ndim umcuphi wala case yegarage yakho
Yeah.
ndithe sendiyibambile sendiyigqibile ndathathwa ndayolahlwa ePitoli
Yeah.
kulapho ndize ndiqonde into yobana ke ngoku okay
There was person behind.
yeah kunabantu kulapho ndaze ndiqonda okay ndabethwa
Yeah. Till today.
up to date
It affected njani lando?
it affected me like it affected me to be honest and she blind yabo I remember ndisiya kuplanga yofuna andiboost and pastor Richena hey hayi uplanga lo ufuna uthatha over naye nakusotho sotho naye wafuna uthatha over nqonde abatata kwenze
So ukhutshwa out wena. Jeez.
yabo ndithi masipatna Richena madoda nincede napho
Is our recovery land.
so it never happened ke abe kufakwa ke financially
Yes.
yabe ke nezinye businesses bezingeka pick up
Yeah.
so it's part of life
It's part of life.
and I believe if it never happened like that ngeke kanti namhlanje andibizwa lo muntu ndibizwa yena ba Professor Hawk Makebula today yanceda yenzeka
Yeah.
ndingulo muntu ndinguye namhlanje and uNkulunkulu one thing he promised me that my son what you had before it's nothing as compared to what you are going to have
And you healed in that.
I am mnake one of my professions I'm a psychologist.
Okay.
I'm a sports psychologist.
Okay.
In nature it's in me. You understand? Mna ungani frustrate undithini ngoku. Ifana ndibona mhlawumbe uzawuthi njengoba ndashiywa ngabafazi okanye ndahlukana nabafazi kwathi ucinga affect no it never. Mna bandimkile sigqiba into gqibile so siphinde ndilandele
land.
That's me. I was telling my sister ndithi because of ndizalwa ngumama oselayo. Tata oselayo into ethi mandiseleleyo kanye izawundi affect me. No. I've got my journey. I have to focus ku journey yami noNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu kusafuneka ndifulfill the purpose kaNkulunkulu ngobomi bami. And that's what is happening now as we speak.
Bro Hawk, tough journey. Particularly your finance ukuba ikubethe ngolhlobo. When we want that kwi-boxers zethu ukuba mazibe ne-businesses investe and you were a pioneer of that but unfortunately there was a human behind yonke lonto leyo. Any regrets that you have during your career oqonda ba yo nansi into ndizisole kanye ndiregrete ngayo xa ndijonge emva kwe-career yami?
Ayikho ngaphandle ngento bana my aim was to quit boxing without losing.
Okay.
Yona nto esebhlungu namhlanje leyo. Into bana ndiyeke I wanted to hold not less than 4 divisions at least. But I became in 3 world champion in 3 world divisions. Naleyo ke it's big.
It is big.
It's big. You know, I didn't become a world champion in 1 division.
Yeah.
So
yeah. What would you advise young and upcoming boxers in terms of finances? When you check them now, and maybe their lifestyle as well.
No, obvious. Most of them, it's a lifestyle they are living. It's a lifestyle they are living, and unfortunately, our boxers are not disciplined. They like booze, you know. And now, you don't see a boxer in the gym without preparing for the fight in these days. It's only Tete that will find him in the gym without having a fight.
Okay.
Okay.
Uya umuntu kuba
kusithiwa kune fight. So thina sasihleli siready okokoko. You understand, preparing for the fight okokoko. Yeah.
What are some of your weaknesses that when you look back but this was my weakness quick career when I was the star?
Yeah. I can't say. I don't know.
Maybe Sisi, if you're not up to pose, maybe overspending. This was my weakness.
Look, I was a womanizer. Without a world title.
Yeah.
From 1989.
Jeez.
From 1989. So, azange ngithandwe ngamantombazana because of money.
Yeah.
Because of fame.
Okay.
I had two things. At least I had good looks by then, and ndiphiwe uthetha.
Sure. Because ugoqa.
Bendingumgoqi. So, and I had this thing of loving abantu besifazane, ndabathanda abantu besifazane by nature, not now only because of, but ndiyabahlonipha.
Okay.
So, yeah. No, I had a lot of girlfriends. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
Lots of them. At least with my friends from 1989, 1990 we had 30, top 30. Kuthiwa umuntu une top 30 bekiwe phasa. Sasibabiza nge-bells. Kuthiwa ibhota champion ubani. Omnye kuthiwa hayi urate kwibhola. Amajita kuthiwa hayi hello urate kwibhola. Kuthiwa yo i-WBC. Yeah. So
nanibabiza ngebhodi.
Sasibabiza ngebhodi.
Jeez.
Into yayizinto zejob zami ke zisuka kwijob.
Sure.
Flyers.
But Lando, of course, it's not something that you are proud of it right now because what greater.
No, it's our life that we have lived, and by then we're writing like
that. Sure.
But when ukhulile ubani bami man, hey,
this is too much.
You know, and ngoku uthi ngosomdala ngoku xa ufika mhlawumbe kulo gathering ikhoyo kuthiwa i-funeral kabani kanye hey uqona hey
exes zonke
i-exes zakho nazakho yabo sifikele ku5 kho uba ngapha kule funeral yabo hey I don't want to lie hey usathana unisebenzisile
sure
yeah unisebenzisile la tender candle ndandinayo yayiphela abantu babe ngama girlfriend
yeah
yabo okanye uphela ulala na
uphela uthamba
yabo so
cheers Prohok, as Basi is our closer because we borrowed your time here and thank you so much for coming and honoring. But I want you to just give us your honest opinions about the state of boxing right now in South Africa. You said something that let's watch Ogba, the boxers, they will know that they are the boss. But looking at the state of boxing currently in South Africa compared to your times, what would you say?
I
know these are the leaders that some we may know, Kabantu Esbaziyo, but it cannot be someone sitting yedwa because it's a board or an organization. But
I believe that the board that we have presently will fix boxing.
Okay.
Yeah. They will fix boxing, but such that they need resources.
Okay.
They are not resourceful, stable. I believe in them. I believe in them. So, and what that has been done by taking even ex-boxers and bring them in the boxing board, in the boxing committees.
Okay.
You know, So as that I'm one of them.
Okay. Are you serving on BSA?
Yeah.
Oh, same as what?
Sanctioning.
Okay.
It's us who approving and disapproving fights.
Wow.
We are led by Ivan Uzanele
Buhlalo. Okay.
chairperson.
That's great.
Yeah.
We didn't know that.
Xolani Dige is the chairperson of ratings. Silence Mabuza, Nika Kumalo, Trux Malan, Professor Hawk Makepula.
So you're part of BSA.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I was about to ask that, but do you think you get the respect that you deserve, not only with BSA, but sport-wise as South Africa yonke? Do you think that we're giving you what you deserve? Asikabi nazo nestrato apha ekuthiwa yiHawk Makepula. We've been crying about that. We have monumental venues that are still not have names up PCM. Do you think that we are giving you enough? Because you were the world champion not once, not twice, 3 times, in 3 different belts.
Let me not say. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me not say. I will just say that whatever that is happening presently in my life, uNkulunkulu is in control.
He's in control, sure.
He's in control, and he's in control, and he's about to do or to reveal the great things, the greatest thing ever.
Okay.
That ever happened. I'm just excited because of that.
All right.
That no matter, I know that people I don't get that recognition. Yeah, I remember Ron Jackson was saying that.
Yeah.
Ron Jackson being he said, I don't believe that Hawk Makepula is getting a recognition that he's supposed to have.
Cheers.
But I knew that uNkulunkulu, there is something great that is cooking for me.
Okay.
And it's about to be revealed now. That is going to change the lives of people.
Wow.
I'm very excited, and that to be chosen by uNkulunkulu in Dogbana to change the status quo.
Wow.
Of the lives sabantu. Not sports, no. People
in general.
of this continent, Alkebulan.
Wow.
The continent that you know as Africa. You're still using the colonialism name. The original name of this continent is Alkebulan.
Alkebulan.
This name called Alkebulan means the mother of all humankind, a garden of Eden.
All right.
Where everything started. The Garden of Eden is in Eastern Cape.
Wow.
Not in that place called Israel. Jerusalem. It's a fake, that place. It existed 1948.
So Utilap.
Ilapha. Azania.
Wow.
Ilapha Azania. I know it's a topic of another day. It's a big topic of another day.
Yeah.
What I'm sharing with you. And you will be shocked that the one who died, the one who risen, the one who ascended to heaven, the one who's sitting on the right hand of our heavenly Abba, busy interceding for us, was born in this country, Azania.
Wow.
The place called Bethlehem is here.
Yeah.
In the place you call it today, Orange Free State.
Free State, sure.
I'm revealing this, but I won't get deeper because of time.
Yeah.
I'll get deeper when I'm coming back for this specific, for what I'm
For
sharing.
your own, exactly. Yeah. Your tribute.
I'll be saying. I think that's my tribute. I'll be saying that uNkulunkulu made me to be the chief high priest of the continent.
Okay. Hey.
It's for the very first time to publicize this.
All right.
That would mean that everyone who is talking about the Isul Kankulunkulu would be under my office.
Wow.
So that's the office enkulu nakwi presidents. uNkulunkulu unabantu bakhe ngamaxesha onke.
Sure.
That coronation will be done in Mali within the next 3 months.
Wow.
It was supposed to be done on the 21st of March. But because of the Ramadan that is taking place
Yeah.
in that place, so we had to extend it to. What you have seen happening or you have heard happened by Israelites
Yeah.
when they were rescued from Egypt by uNkulunkulu. That's what uNkulunkulu is about to do for the whole continent. He's going to rescue the whole continent within the next 3 months.
Wow.
Some great stuff will come up. Great stuff ever. On a very serious note, we are in a continent called United Hierarchic Government of Alkebulan. I'm serving there.
You are serving there.
Yeah. I'm one of the presiding officers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Professor?
How do we prepare here in Tinaban for this rescue?
The preparation is Unonsendana devil is not going to like what is going to happen. Once it starts practical, he'll be very angry because he told himself that it's got in fact one of the best tools of the devil is poverty. So abantu babamba ngepoverty. So uNkulunkulu is going to rescue abantu through kings and kingdoms.
Okay.
You understand? Kuzawuphatha i-kings and uzawuphatha i-royal people ngoku. uNkulunkulu uzawuphatha ngokwakhe. uNkulunkulu is taking over.
Wow.
You understand? So umuntu is preparing himself into bana xa nisithi uSathana is going to be very angry ngalendo. Then what is going to happen? People are going to die prematurely. The freedom is going to be there. Financially and otherwise. You understand? Business wise, everything will be there. You understand? But uSathana is not going to be happy by that. So abantu ke ngoku umsindo wakhe ukhupha ngoba ababulala abantu. And so you will be rescued in that situation ngokuhlala kuNkulunkulu. Khonza uNkulunkulu by truth and in spirit.
Wow. This is the first time that we are having a pastor. I feel so blessed. Thank you so much, Prof. But before we let you go, we have two things. I want you to give a tribute abandon that they gave you. They were part of your life, particularly with boxing. And I want you to give us your open opinions about this fight that is coming on the 24th of April, which is Duncan Village versus Mdantsane Asanda Ginqi and Azinga Fuzile. I believe you know these boys, but you will start with the tribute that few people that you want to mention. Ababene Galelo, abadlaleyo that you think of them.
I'll start this by saying, my grandmother who pushed me to go there.
Yeah.
And people I had sparring with, that is Lunga Mtingi, Nomongezi, Tulele Ngateleni, you know, and by my father planted that from his nature because he was a superstar as an amateur.
Yeah.
Yeah. So uyofikelela to my family. I had Boy Mpulambula in my life, Probika Mzimasi Mngoni in my life, the whole stable.
Yeah.
We A2, we became family there. You understand? So even my cousin brother Uboyoyo Mkhohliswa, I remember one other year he supported me fully, you know, using his money. You know, people who supported me to be where I am. My family from kucala la kwaVamva, kucala la kwaMakhephula.
Yeah.
That is all Lugola and all the stuff. So
Yep.
I would say my kids, because I gave birth to them,
Sure.
but they didn't experience that much me on that side.
Yeah.
Eyona nto bayibambileyo kwa yam lilizwi likaNkulunkulu.
Okay.
Yeah. So but yeah.
Asanda Kingi, asingafuzile, Duncan Village versus Mdantsane, 24th of April. Promised to be a big night.
It's going to be a very big night for our continent. I'm not saying that fight is for our region. No.
Yeah, sure.
It's for the continent. It's an international fight, a very big fight. And I will say that if Uking loses this fight, there's nothing he's going to lose.
Okay.
If Fuzile loses his fight, has a lot to lose.
Yeah.
So he cannot manage.
That's big.
You understand? So that's my statement.
Clear.
Yeah.
Clear.
And I'm a member of PSA, so
Yeah.
I'm favoring boxing.
I think you have said enough.
Yeah.
You have said enough without picking who's who. Your top 5 fights of your career that you opumanazo gone by. Easy. You fought the likes of Jake, Baby Jake, Rolly, Lunas, Baninzi Goda. Who are your top 5 fights or easy? The top 5 the fights in my career.
Obvious, my first world title.
Okay.
Edlalele Madison Square Garden. Normal New York Madison Square Garden. That was too big for me.
Against?
You understand? And sazi boxers. That's the opponents. That was in New York.
Okay.
You know, stage bekusilwa o Sugar Ray Robinson or you know or Muhammad Ali bebelwela apha o Sugar Ray nathi kule ring olubulwela kuyo nawo. Jeez. So that's too big for me. Though I won the fight against stoppage.
Yeah.
Another fight, obvious, Baby Jack Matala.
Baby Jack, yeah.
Another fight, ikona a guy that stopped Umzugisi. Yaphela fight ichithwa nge-technical cut. That guy, he fought me after.
Okay.
Yo. Kulapho ndizibona ba hey ndibox hayi
sure
uNkulunkulu lento
ulwaphi nayo le
ngikhumbula eCarnival City I think so.
Okay.
No not Carnival City, Sun City. I think it's Sun City. Yabo. So ndilibele nje igama layo.
Sure.
Yabo. Yayirongo kakhulu.
Yeah.
Lo chaplain. Another big fight for me. You know, this achieve is not ndimncinyane. Kwi 18 fight yami 18.
Yeah.
Sendwele title yesithathu.
Ewe, you won 18 matches unbeaten. Ndiyolwa ke ngonale champion fight 90. Ndina 18 fights. That was my 3rd world title. Okay.
Irene Pacheco,
yeah.
That was another big fight. You understand? He was very tough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Another fight, it will be C. International title. Up Orient Theatre.
Okay.
Lo mfana lo I don't think ingani wase yabona yena nale bendichaza ndandicima ndiyoconnect isiZulu hlala suswini yo yatsho yayiblow ndaqonda yeyi papayini sisu libale nami yabuyela kwi-boxing ndathi soze tu yabo zange ndibone binibambile
Sure.
hayi ndathi soze yabo siphelele ke fight
Siphelele apha. Le chap osilwa naye medicine nguRafael Torres.
Torres
Yeah.
yeah
Rafael Torres.
yabona ubuno ndikhangelela le lantuka yika uyibone ngokuyayidlala noSkali yaphela fight 4th round
Yeah. Asazilibala.
angeze ayirong is too much.
Rahok, when you are no longer here in this earth, what do you want to be remembered for?
I'm waiting for Messiah, Yahuwah Mashiach, Yahushua Mashiach to come back. I'm saying that I'm going nowhere. I'm waiting for Umsindisa Boy,
Okay.
so I can say nothing
Nice one. Nice one.
because
Boxers of his time.
Silibele. Top 5 boxers.
you are ndingazakhumbula kahle ngo
Jay. Okay.
my favorite boxer. Obvious, it was Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome was
yeah.
my hero.
Yeah, Tamawed.
Ngelishwa ke kuzo-20 stable samuvyani
Yeah. Beast.
babe kuthiwa ndithetha ngelanto kamani mhlawumbe ndinibuze ngolunye uhlobo
Your top 5 boxers of all time. Aba uthi ngaba the favorite some.
Oscar De La Hoya.
Oscar De La Hoya. Okay.
Was my favorite.
Golden Boy.
Yeah, Golden Boy. Sugar Ray Leonard.
Okay.
Lentwana balentwana ikhoyo ngoku.
You say you S1 yep.
Mnyama.
Stevenson. Or Upat.
Terence. You.
Yeah.
Crawford.
Yeah.
Crawford.
I did. Solid.
Crawford.
Solid in the top 5.
Crawford. Yo. Crawford nguye undenze ndaphinde ndakwazi ukwazi amanqindi engasawazi kahle.
Sure.
You understand? I still have a belief that
Okay.
this place called Mecca of Boxing,
Okay.
yinto esayiphiwa nguNkulunkulu le. No one can take it.
Sure.
You can go and watch umntana ona 5 6 7 8 ngoku pha uye pha eGolgotha. You go and watch the boys there. Siphiwe boxing into esiphiwe uNkulunkulu. I-economy yethu in Eastern Cape supposed to be boxing.
Yeah.
I went and tell uPremier that the Premier thatha boxing uzoboost i-economy ye-Eastern Cape. Own the boxing.
Yeah, because man, if we could get a world title fight,
will-
just come and say with the ICC. Imagine what would that be?
This actually up to date. When we still have a potential. Yeah, a lot. So ziphele i-boxing. Mina uyabona ba unothatha akuse pha eGolgotha uyobukela indwana kanye kwi-amateur fights.
Yeah.
You will be ikhona tournament ezayo I think 27 ka March 26 ka March uye Orient Theatre uyobukela i-amateurs
21 match. Yeah.
open boxing.
Look.
Yeah, you will be shocked. Yabona uqonda ba yey kuyaboxwa
Into yethu.
into yalapha le. You understand? Unfortunate ke idabi le Dangeni and Mdantsane, I'm not a party yalo.
Okay.
Mna. Reason being Mdantsane uzalwa
Idangeni. Yeah. Yeah.
you understand?
Yeah.
So andikho kula competition.
Sure.
And beside that zalelwe ziphunzana. You understand?
Yeah.
Ndiyabulisa apho ngegama lika Yahuwah Meshiya Yahusha Mashiach Yameheni itshintshile ngokuthi Yameheni
Adigqibele sephaka lo mna uameni
ngunansi Yameheni.
Nice one.
Bless you.
Prof, thank you so much. We're wishing you all the best. Kuzo zonke projects that you have in your mind. Ukuba uchinje ubomi babantu abamnyama. And also nakuwe ne-family. Stay blessed. Thixo agcine. Siphinde sibonane. Now that you have came here, I think this is not the last time you will came, and you still have projects. I still believe you still owe us a book. You still owe us documentary. There's a lot that you need to give us, Singumzansi Africa. But we are open.
Imbuyekezo Boxing Channel is coming back with a bang.
My boy.
Yeah.
Nice one. Well, South Africa, that's it. Besle naye ngale mina namhlanje uBrahok, uprofessor, umfundisi. Thank you so much. And also let's salute to our friends as well for this post bafethu kwiscore. I think this is our first and it's going to be forever and forever. Sport podcast at Sports Edition with BK. Siyabulela bethuna masiphinde sibane kwakhona ixesha ezayo. Thank you so much.
Ntwana zami nangixolela man sendilate.
Tata,
You will forgive me.